Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are covering a very important interview questions of Selenium, that is like how to print all the hyperlink present on a web page. As you know, the concept of web page consists of many web elements. It can be a hyperlink, text box, radio button, buttons, drop down, checkboxes, maybe like consist of many web elements. So let's get started. So let's see first web application. So this is the web application. I'm taking example here of rediff.com. You can take any other example, Flipkart, Amazon, whatever you want to take as an example. So now I will show you how to inspect the particular hyperlink present on a web page. So in as you observe, like in this web page we are like three hyperlink: home, terms and condition, and privacy policy. So how we can install? So first go to the home and just right click on this hyperlink and click on inspect. It will show you the properties of that particular hyperlink. So it gets started with A, that means it is a hyperlink. Href equal to, that means once you clicked on this hyperlink you will navigate to this particular website. Class, it may be same throughout the web page or it can be different. So this is the text which we are displaying for the particular hyperlink. We'll see for the other two also. You need to click on the inspector icon and then terms and condition. So this also start with tag A. H reference is different, as we want to navigate the user once clicked on terms and condition to some different page. So this is the text. So href vary, but the tag name is same, as you observed like in both the two hyperlinks. Okay, we'll see for the privacy policy also. So it's also started with a H references this, that means this, once you clicked on privacy policy you will navigate to this particular link and the target is new, and this is the text which we are displaying for the hyperlink. So we observed like for all the hyperlink the started with the tag A. So we are like we observed the common property of all these hyperlink, that is A. So now how to write a code in Selenium to print all the hyperlinks on the web page. We'll go to the Selenium ID. So I have already wrote the code for to navigate this particular web application, that is driver.get. What wherever you want to navigate you can just mention the link over here. Okay, now we have to write the code for the to display all the hyperlinks. Okay, so in Selenium, like to identify the particular web element uniquely, so Selenium provides you two methods. First is find element and the second is find elements. One, it is once we are talking about only single web element, then we will use find element. If we are talking about the multiple web element, that means returning more than one value, then we will use find web elements. Find elements. Okay. So here driver dot find elements, and by which property we are searching, that is by dot here tag name. So tag name, that means start with A. If you hover on the find element, so Selenium will give you some description about this particular find element description. So it will give you the list of web element, that means more than one value. So it will give the list. So we are storing the values in a list. And This is the variable name where all the values get stored in links. You can use any variable name as it is user defined. Okay. So now you need to display all the hyperlinks. So we have to use for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than equal to links dot size. Okay, and I plus plus. Now we need to print. So system dot out dot println to display the values. So what we want to display the values which were present on the links variable. Link dot first get the values of I and then print. Get the text. To fetch the text for the hyperlink, Selenium provides you a method called get text. So links dot get I dot get text to print all the hyperlink present on the web page. So here it is already included this library. We remove this, then you will see the error here. So you need to import the library for this particular list. So this is java.util. Okay, once you import this, the error will not, error disappears. Okay. Then control save and run this code. So it will navigate first to this web page and then to display all the hyperlinks present on this page. So there are 3 hyperlinks present on this page. So it will display the text of all these hyperlinks. The result you can see on the console is home, terms and condition. See, home, terms and condition and privacy policy. So these are the 3 hyperlinks present on the web page. Here it is exception thrown by the Selenium, that is index out of 1. As if you see in this for loop, we are using a value that starts with 0. So it should always be less than 1. So we have to remove this equal to and then say then run. Now it will not display any error message. So first you navigate to this page and then it will display these 3 hyperlinks which are present on this particular page. Okay, so if you want like in count how many hyperlinks present in particular web, so these are the basically names of all the hyperlinks. So if you want to display the total number of link present on this web page, so what you need to do is like system dot out dot println. So you need to like we need to display total number of links present on page, or whatever you want to display this text you can. Then you need to print the particular value, that means 5, 3, 4. So how you can display that links dot size, then semicolon. So it will display the total number of link on this present on this web. So once you run, will navigate to this particular web page and first it will display how many links present on this page. So how many? 3, and the names of those hyperlinks. So it will display the total number of links present on the page are to display the count, that means 3. And what are those? Home, terms and condition and privacy policy. Thanks for watching. Bye.